Yo!
Killer!
Samuel!
Alliance!
Alliance!
Move the very fast of me! Yo!
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings, viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Welcome to Lionhood TV. Anyone there are nothing but love and blessings, guidance and protection. I don't know your support is highly appreciated. Yes, in this episode of my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, is another tribute to Robbie Shakespeare. You know what I mean? Sly and Robbie. And you don't know, you have David Radigan and the Prime Minister Andrew Holness paying their respects, giving their feedback, you know what I mean, on the great Robbie Shakespeare. We also have Romeich and the Corporates link up once more again with a lot of giveaways, you know what I mean, for the people in need. Bounty Killer respond and show shades, and also Bounty modded many vice, imitate Bounty Killer. You must say, I don't know, the viewers and subscribers. Oh yeah, we have a little short performance from Robbie Shakespeare, the man the bass on stage. See, so you don't want to miss that, you know. So forward.
Hi, JC Lodge here. Telephone love, you sound so sweet on the line. Why not join me on Boxing Day for an evening of splendour at the Carib Fest UK Christmas Ball? I'll be your special guest, you'll be dressed in your best, and you'll hear all my hits and more. Plus, there'll be music by London's finest. So, date 26th of December. Place 3 Brighton Road. Time, doors will open at 11 p.m. Together, we'll make this a truly memorable night. See you there. I wanna share your...
Yes, my kings and queens, everyone. Thanks for staying if you're still here. That shows you care. Next thing, I'm begging you to please to like the video and share. The more you share, like it up, and the more YouTube put it out there, so other people can discover the channel and receive the message, the information that I'm sending out. Saying, yes man, I don't know, the 26th of December, Boxing Day. JC Legend, you know what I mean, live in concert, I don't know, it's a dinner and it's a ball settings, so just roll out, you know what I mean, big up Dennis Raiders and the whole team. Yeah man, so 26th of December, don't know, got a nice little full time on yourself and full enjoyment, you know, we don't know the loved one, you know what I mean, or no friend, you see me, sit down and eat some food and I don't know, get entertained by JC Lodge. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so I kick it off now with the great, you know, Robbie Shakespeare, see him? Yeah, I don't know, this is David Radigan paying his tribute and respect to Robbie Shakespeare, and this is what he says. The bass is everything in reggae music, and Robbie Shakespeare played his bass guitar like nobody else. He made the beat drop, speaker boxes shook, and we rocked. His passing is a tragic loss. His contribution to the genre is immeasurable. R.I.P. Robbie Shakespeare. Yeah man, and that is coming from David Radigan, and I mean BBC One Extra radio presenter and selector DJ sound system. Throughout a career spanning almost 50 years, Shakespeare collaborated with artists and varied as Madonna, Bob Dylan, No Doubt, Peter Tosh, the Rolling Stones and Grace Jones. Born in Jamaica capital Kingston in 1953, he learned how to play bass under the guidance of Aston Barrett of the Wailers after they met in Shakespeare's backyard. Having already established himself as a talented musician, he teamed up with drummer Sly Dunbar. In the mid-70s, they had various band names but settled on Sly and Robbie and became one of the most influential rhythm and production duos in the history of reggae. Shakespeare helped create the unique sounds heard in Murder, She Wrote and Bam Bam, 2 songs considered some of the most legendary and important in reggae and dancehall. They also produce music for movie soundtracks, including Buffy, Vampire Slayer, and Poetic Justice. Shakespeare was nominated for 13 Grammy Award, and won 2 in 1984 for Best Reggae Recording Anthem, and then in 1998 for Best Reggae Album for Friends. Last year, Rolling Stones magazine placed him at number 17 on its list of the 50 greatest bassists of all time, saying no other musical entry in the post Marley era has been so omnipresent in shaping the sound of Jamaica and bringing it to the world. You must see the pivotal part the man play in reggae and dancehall. The man also won 2 Grammy, nominated 13 times and won it twice. You see me? Jamaica Prime Minister Andrew Olney said on Twitter, when it comes to reggae bass playing, no one comes close to having the influence of Robbie Shakespeare. You see me? I say, yes man, a greatness man. Once again, R.I.P. to Robbie Shakespeare and his families and friends and fans. You see me? I say? Alright, moving on now, Kings and Queens, Lion and Lioness. Romeich link up with some the entities them, you know what I mean? The corporates them. I know Christmas will come and enough people want them look llama. You see me I say, yes man, so watch what I go on. So it's officially on the way. We have the good thing them and we have the good them. See it here people, see it here looking. Catching pig water, all the great product them, all other brand them. Mild and them chicks and them things there. See how we are doing it here, you can see them line up. We water them there, the sausage, mayonnaise, mackerel, sardine, everything. You see it? And the team just fuck about and just walk around. Show walk around here. Yes, walk with us. Milo, everything. Syrup, crackers, meal. And then we'll come right here, so. And we'll load them up. And we'll put in the snack them and all of them good thing there for the children them. And then watch out now. Jesus Christ, Jade, look what just come. Set the soup is back! On Friday! People, the soup them come, Anyway, I don't know where I eat that already, right? So, big up to all the people who help with the give back. Big up to all of the families, all of the friends, all of the corporate people, and big up to the lava, big up to Ding Dong. So the thing is on the way. So it's officially on the way. We have the good thing them. Yes, I don't know, I say Romeich, one only for sitting star. I mean, that's a good sight to see, you know what I mean? You know, earlier on we post Lady the Angel giving back to Mr. Pines, you know what I mean? So I know Romeich always giving back, you know what I mean? Whether out of pocket or from other people who are sponsor, you see me? Yes, it's a great joy. Enough people need it right now. If they look back the water and the mackerel and the sardine and you know what I mean, them grateful feet, you see it? So big up Romeich, you see it? And under that post, you know, Bounty Killer made a statement, and I know say some shade Bounty actually, you know, so you see me? Me could hear Bounty say. And this is what Bounty Killer say, my viewers and subscribe. Phoebe business, the well-being of our people, not their business water mouth. Fish boy and girl, go be a part of goodness and greatness, or shut the pit under on the nose. That's a major move, Mr. Major. Do it, youth. Kudos to all the donors and persons involved. So, I know how Bounty Killer talking about, but I not call them names. Them names are relevant to what you say. You see me? You allow them to pretty that. Yes, Kings and Queens, one and all. You know, we're in the show with a local live performance from Any Vice. I better your name Any Vice. See the man of Bounty Vice lock. So watch what I go on.
Tell them.
Go there, Bounty.
Youth. Alright. When we roll out all the rage. Boy, this is having it all revenge. I'm going to have my change on the paint. Trying to get all without having life to arrange. I'm going to have my change on the life. I hear I need me don't want the price. With them pimps. Me don't die. I don't know what. God, Jesus Christ.
Killer.
No, run out them pneumatic overload, yo. Them can't stop it. bring the charge up, call it steady. I know them see the brand. Booyah! Don't take it out of the place. Any boy talk with the smile of your face. Yo!
Killer!
Samuel!
Alliance!
Move them from front of me! Yo! Have mad enough. Mad for dancing, Howard! Have we run the place?
Yo, man, I like the man bad, the man and pint, the man connect. I don't know, and a bounty killer post it up to see so a great look. Big up yourself, any voice. Yo, the man that can eat whole heap of dub plate off a bounty killer head. Yo, viewers and subscribers, I don't know Kings and Queen Lion and Lioness. It's another vlog where I do it when I boss now brag. I'm out, not another word out of my mouth. Please do remember to like and share the content. Your support is highly appreciated.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.